my tutorial is about how to build a PC gamer. But first we need to buy the pieces to make the PC gamer. A Ryzen, a RAM, a motherboard, a ROG Strix, a GeForce GTX 1070. Then step by step we need to assemble all the pieces that we all bought to our PC gamer. Then when we finish to assemble all the pieces, we already have our PC gamer to work. That's it, all my tutorial of made a PC gamer.